Kulbhushan Jadhav condemned to death. Pakistan denies consular access for 14th time, says India neglected to react to query. Islamabad, Pakistan on Friday rejected India's 14th endeavour at consular access to charged spy Kulbhushan Jadhav and kept up the trial. Condemning him to death was by the laws of the nation. Record picture of Sartaj Aziz. Reuters. Pakistan additionally said that India had not reacted to particular data looked for on Jadhav in January, which New Delhi has rejected. Indian High Commissioner Gautam Bambawale met Pakistan Foreign Secretary Temina Genjua in Islamabad with a demand for consular access to Jadhav and furthermore looked for a duplicate of the charge sheet against him. The ask for was turned down. We requested a meeting with Jadhav, however they denied us, Bambawale told columnists in the wake of meeting Genjua. India said it has looked for consular access to Jadhav 13 times prior, yet was rejected each time, creating an impression on Jadhav's capture and trial. Pakistan's beat remote approach boss Sartaj Aziz hammered the incendiary proclamations and talk of planned murder issued by the Indian government, which he said would just heighten strains. He likewise asked how Jadhav, a pure man, could have two international IDs. At the season of his capture in March 2016, Jadhav had one travel permit in his name, and a moment for the sake of Hussein Mubarak Patel. Why was Jadhav utilizing a fake name in his personality archives? Aziz inquired. Aziz said the 10 April condemning of Jadhav was according to the rule that everyone must follow and was a completely straightforward process. He said Jadhav, who hails from Maharashtra in India, had been included in subversive exercises in Pakistan. To the Indian claims that Pakistan has not reacted to its letters looking for data on Jadhav, Aziz said that New Delhi has not reacted to a letter of assistance asking for particular data and access to certain key witnesses sent on 23 January. There has been no reaction from the Indian side up until this point. Home Minister Rajnath Singh, in Kolkata, denied the charge, saying no, that is not valid. Rajnath likewise said he felt that Jadhav did not get a straightforward trial. All endeavors are on to get Kulbhushan equity. India will go to any degree to get him equity, he said. Aziz said that Jadhav had the privilege to request inside 40 days to a higher court. Jadhav, who was attempted by a military court, could likewise record a benevolence request with the armed force.